This is my '88 Suburban four-wheel drive. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to change out a window motor on the passenger front side. I had what I consider a brainstorm. So I had this idea. What if I cut a square in here to access those 3 bolts and just take the motor off directly? That's what I'm going to do. All right, so that's a guesstimate where that opening needs to be. All right, this is my brand new Dremel Saw Max. Looks like it's perfect for the job. We shall see. So far this thing's working really well. It's easy to use, and I've been changing the depth. You can see there's a little drop here, so I've been changing the depth of the blade. I'm trying to be real careful, not go too deep, because you never know what's on the other side that you may not have picked up on. So being real careful here. It's throwing a lot of sparks. It's pretty cool. All right, well, I got it pretty much cut out. They made pretty quick work of that job. I'm going to take this little metal saw blade here by hand and finish the corners. All right, I went and found the right size socket, and it's a 1/2 inch. I'm going to mark the back of this regulator a 1/2 inch. So 5 years, 10 years, 30 years from now, I'll know what it is, assuming I'm still around that long. Oh, I was gonna reattach the regulators to keep it solid while we do this. I'll pause while I do that. There's the bolts are here, I think. So I've determined this cut, of course, is incorrect. It needs to be over. It would be easier to access these. I'm already having trouble getting my tools in here. Plus you have to back off the bolt. Okay, so I am going to remark this and recut this. I'm not going to film it because you guys know what that looks like. There's one thing that I enjoy when I watch these videos, when I try to find do-it-yourself tips, is the mistakes people make and they don't edit them. And that's why I want to show you here. All this is unnecessary metal removal. This is unnecessary metal removal. See what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Either all 3 are out. I'm still alive. I've still got my arm. All right, this is my hitch vise. Thing has been awesome. It's really awesome. I carry it with me, of course, when I'm out in the field, and I'm using it here at home. I wanted to show you how it's working. It's real simple. It's just a little pry tool here, and then I'm hitting it with this small sledge. It's really been quite easy. I'm just hoping, again, I didn't bend it too much before I figured this out. Orientated with this one. And it came off that way. You know what? The holes all line up for the nuts and bolts. I might gently hammer that down, just a tad. Just a tad. So there's a little bit more on that shaft, but not much. I didn't deform it hardly at all. And I want to show you something. This is the window motor. Brand new, not a reman. This is what they sent. But I'm going to have to add washers because this is not going to work. No way, no how. Okay, so I decided to go with a washer on this side. And then on the back side, I'm going to go with the block washer. And it's an 8mm. This little nut's an 8mm. It's a standard flathead. Putting this back in should be quite easy. You can see by the hole alignment. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, the moment of truth, folks. Oh, that's not good. That's really bad, actually. It'll be a take 2 video. I put some white lithium grease on the tracks, and you can see window's working pretty good. Okay, there it is.